this channel is all about dentistry and be able to go ahead and give you information on how to go ahead and proceed, how to go ahead and help you towards your career in the dental field, help you in your journey in becoming a dental professional. We're going to do in our channel where we're giving information to dental assistant, giving information to a dental hygienist, giving information to dentists and a foreign dentist who wants to come and be able to practice in the United States. We're able to provide you information on content to make sure you know what you need to do as a dental assistant. We're able to provide you as a dental hygienist to make sure you know what you need to know to go ahead and move forward with your career as a dental hygienist. We are able to provide information to foreign dentists who is able to go ahead and come to our office, in-office to hands-on dental training to make sure that they know what they need to do to be able to practice dentistry in the United States. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Any information that you need, let us know so that we can give you that information so that you can go move forward in your journey to become a dental professional, your journey towards your dental career.